Every time you see a BYD cruise past or an MG EV silently glide into a charging spot, you're witnessing the future of Indian mobility. But what you don't see is the complex web of global politics, critical minerals, and strategic dependencies woven into its very core. We're talking about the battery, the heart of these machines, and who truly controls its pulse. This is more than just about electric cars. It's about national energy security and economic power. Excited? Welcome to the EV Battery Gamble, India's high-stakes race for self-reliance. The EV revolution runs on batteries, and those batteries are a cocktail of specific minerals, lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements like neodymium for the powerful magnets. You might think whoever mines the most of these minerals wins, right? But that's not the whole story. Imagine you want to bake a cake. Australia might have all the flour and Congo has the cocoa, but China controls the world's biggest and best bakery. They've perfected the recipe and own the most advanced ovens. Today, they control over 60% of the world's lithium refining and a staggering 70% of the cobalt refining. Thoughtful. It's a strategic choke point. Now, for the most recent and critical development. Just in the last few weeks, in a significant thaw in relations, China has lifted its export curbs on critical items like rare earth minerals and magnets to India. This is a massive relief for our industries. This policy shift is driven by a complex geopolitical chessboard. On one hand, it's a clear signal from China, offering a lifeline to our EV manufacturing. It helps normalize trade by providing a stable supply of materials. On the other hand, it also serves to reinforce their position as the indispensable supplier. It's a strategy to keep us dependent on their bakery and ensure that their industrial leadership remains unchallenged. So with this new development, what should businesses and the government be thinking about? Here's a closer look. First, let's talk about the vertical integration trap. China's biggest advantage isn't just cheap labor, it's a brilliant business strategy. Think of a company like a river. A vertically integrated company owns the river from the source, the mine, all the way to the end product, the finished battery. Chinese companies like BYD have mastered this. They control every step, giving them unmatched cost control and speed. For India, which has so far focused on assembling imported parts, this is the core challenge. Second, let's consider the sustainability and ethical mandate. The green revolution can't be built on an ethically gray foundation. The batteries we rely on often contain cobalt from mines with serious concerns about working conditions. For India, building a truly sustainable EV industry means ensuring our supply chains are ethical. The recent lifting of export curbs from China offers a much-needed breath of fresh air.